Daughters of the dark! Why is the pot of blood dry? And why are we this thirsty? Doesn't mean the drums of death has not been beaten.
Great one! She keep raising our captives when we kill them.
How dare her? She has beaten more than she can chew.
We will not take it from her. Akweke! Akweke! Akweke!
Yes, I'm surprised to see them here now. They were banished from this land many seasons ago. Yes, but why are they here now? Hey! There is problem. Very big problem. Very big problem. So, look at how the weather, everything, the cloud, everything. See, I'm running to my house now. Huh? I'm leaving to my house now. Go and let your family know. Me, I will go around the whole village and let everybody know. There is problem. Very big problem. Go. No, go. Go now. Go. Hey, go.
Hey, brother.
Yeah.
Where did Papa go since morning?
He went for community meeting.
Okay.
I believe he will soon be back.
Okay. Let him come back fast. I believe he will be hungry by now.
Hey. Papa, who's after you?
Who's after you?
And why are you panting heavily like a frog chased by a wild animal?
Hey, problem. There is a problem.
A problem?
Very big problem. Very big problem.
Yeah. Papa, what is it?
You will not understand. Please go and give me drinking water.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Papa, talk to me. What is this?
Hey, so these wicked women are back. Hey.
Oh, here is the water.
Yes.
Oh. Drink up.
Hey.
My children, you will not understand this, my son. I will tell you this story in moonlight today, this evening. In moonlight? Yes. Okay, Papa.
Okay, Papa.
No problem if you say so.
Let me get you food to eat.
You can go. Hey! My son, Papa. I'm telling you the truth. There's going to be a calamity. A calamity. These women are very dangerous.
Bring that basket close, yes. Keep it here. Keep it so that it will be clear near to us. Pick those ones. This is the Osugwu. That's what we call it. I'll be picking them so that you will do fast and leave here. Be fast so that you will go home on time.
Mother, something in me tells me that I know them.
Akweke, you don't know them.
Mother, I know them.
Akweke, even me, your mother, I don't know them. Talk more of you that was birth yesterday.
Mother, I know them. I can feel it in my hand. Something in my hand is placed. I know them.
Hey, Akweke, don't say it again. You don't know them. Quiet. Let's finish this thing and go home.
My children.
Yes, Papa.
Story. There were 4 girls from one family. 3 of them were lucky to marry 3 brothers. But they have a side with the gods. There's something strange in them.
My beautiful wife,
Nai.
your food is very delicious.
Thank you, Nai. I'm happy you enjoyed it.
And thanks the gods for bringing you my way. If not, what should I have done?
Obi, you praise me too much.
You
You're beginning to spoil me.
You deserve it, my wife.
Nai. For some days now, I've been feeling headache. I've been feeling sleepy. All my joints, they are paining me.
Are you okay? Okay, maybe by evening I will call herbalist to come and take you.
Now I have to go to my car. Me alone.
You see, one day their husband asked them what they have. They killed their husband.
Finally, we are pregnant. But we are not keeping this pregnancy.
For what? As for me, I am not terminating this pregnancy.
You do no such thing. But this is an agreement meant not to be broken. It has been sealed and must be obeyed. Remember the last order.
No one says no to the supreme. Ancient ritual must be achieved and nothing else.
Osuagwu, why do you people want to terminate this pregnancy?
Ntiza, are you mad? Don't you know that the words have ears?
And so, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm trying to take you out of this evil path you are taking. This is not fair.
Lele, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about, Ntiza.
See, you better stop all this evil act you are doing. I won't warn you again. Because one day...
Gineme, one day.
Sister, this is why I'm telling you.
Ntiza, you're not my sister. In this particular matter, you won't want them. You're not my sister.
Hey.
Yes. You ceased to be my sister. The very first day, you dismiss yourself from us.
Osuagwu.
What is it?
Hey. Why are you saying all this? Just because I'm warning you, I'm telling you to depart from this your evil acts.
Warn yourself, not me.
What is it?
Nothing.
Are you okay? I was talking about. Ogum! Come on, you're awake and you're screaming.
I'll get it. What is it? Osuagwu, what is it? Come, please help me. What is the problem? What happened?
I don't know. We were having a discussion and...
Come. Wait. Let's go inside. Osuagwu, something bothers me.
Okay.
I've noticed that ever since we got married to the same sisters, something has been going wrong. I don't know who has noticed such.
Uzondo. Ikemefula. I observe that you have been played on always. Can you imagine? This is the second time my wife is losing her pregnancy.
Same with me.
Exactly.
Just yesterday, my wife lost her pregnancy. The second time.
You see? This is just my story. This is just my... See, the days are really dark on us. And
My in-laws.
see,
I have something to tell you.
what is it?
See, you all need to be careful, for the days are evil.
Evil what?
Evil.
My sisters are not just what you think they are. They are more dangerous than what I could see. I know what I'm saying. I said, let me come and tell you.
Uzondo. I think we need to do something. We need to do something.
Yes, exactly. Just let me rush here and tell you.
Nne, Ntiza is really getting on our neck. We need to do something. Eh?
You know, I've been watching that girl called Ntiza. But don't worry. She must see to the end of this. I will make sure I bring her down.
All of a sudden, Ntiza is now the good egg.
The long face. You're welcome. Is there any problem?
There's no problem.
Mba. No. Nwokeafor, must you be like this? Eh?
There. This one I was telling that, where did you go to? Olamma. Odi. You're welcome.
Ucheke, how dare you manipulate your witchcraft on our unborn child?
Obim, you have never shouted at me like this before. You have not called me by my name before. What is going on?
Enough of the lies, woman. And how dare you, Osuagwu? How dare you bewitch me? How dare you bewitch all of us? And you are there killing our unborn children. How dare you?
No, tell us. Where did we go wrong? No, tell me. Where did we go wrong? Oh, you people want to ruin our destinies.
Just imagine.
Ntiza, this is all your fault.
Is that?
This is all your plan. So you have already told them the truth. But don't worry, it's about the you will see. You must surely pay for this.
I will not pay for nothing.
Eh? You got come back.
Please.
You got come back.
Stop wasting your time. Let's go.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
You deadly swine. Eh? You think you can just walk out like that?
One more word from all of you. You will not live to see the next sunset.
Enough of this rubbish.
Let's
go. Get
down now.
Nonsense.
I said it.
Hey! And you said it though.
You died? I told us. I never wanted to marry that witch.
Hey, come on, you know about Poison. He said what? Get away, cut out.
Can you hear him? When I asked him not to marry
I told you people, you are one of them that said you love the Nwokeafor. You saw big breast.
No say anything.
Now you have seen big breast. So go now, go to your house now before I come back and descend on you by anger now. Marry a sneaky, slimy, snaky idiot.
Okay.
He's leaving
everything on me now. I'm leaving.
How am I even going to go back to my own house? Wait for me, please.
These maidens must be evil.
Yes, they are evil.
You see, these three sisters, Utueke, Osuagwu,
yes,
and Olamma, they were so evil.
Okay.
They were very heartless. They went as far as killing their unborn children right inside the womb. Killed their husbands and killed their only sister remaining for them. Ntiza by name.
My sisters, what are we going to do to these useless men? Eh? Acting like children.
Utueke, I think it's high time we end their lives.
Bam. Yes.
Osuagwu, do you think so?
Yes. Mama, that is the only way to keep them short.
Ujeke, my sister, you are right. Because this is the only way we will be free from them.
Say my sister, say
it's okay, one name. It's okay.
So this is what you people are planning to do to your husbands?
And what do you mean by that, Ntiza?
Chukwaya.
I hate you people planning on how to kill your husbands. Eh?
Ntiza, if you had us, what happened?
What happened?
Eh? Ntiza, who invited you in this conversation?
Yes, who invited
Who invited you? Eh? Now get out.
Who is this one?
Get out!
See, I will leave. But I will not let you all to harm those men.
Yes, Ntiza, I will watch you try. Ntiza, I will watch you try.
Allow her leave. Please leave.
Now get out.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Operation Ireke.
Can you imagine Ntiza? Can you imagine her?
You know, Ntiza is beginning to grow wings.
Look at her.
I will break it.
Just imagine. When I Ntiza hurry all the time. Ntiza. I want to know.
What you are doing is evil and nothing but lead one to doom.
Shut up, Ntiza!
This is not your business.
Ntiza, do not endanger your life into that which kills early.
Sisters of Black Days, do not harm your husbands. Do not kill them. Spare their lives and let them be.
The stubborn fly is that refuse to listen to instruction. Follows the corpse to the grave. Ntiza! Stay off our path and mind your business.
And what if I don't?
That will be your doom, Ntiza. Then the battle line has just been drawn.
Okay, unu gaga.
Nana.
Yeah.
Who's on do?
That's just the thing now. But we'll have to meet this man and know how we are going to go about that thing. Yes, Majoko.
But Papa, why are they so aggressive to suck their own blood?
You see, that is why Mazi was telling us that they are witches. You know, witches, they don't mess it. Imagine somebody sucking unseen child.
Hey. These maidens are evil.
They are more than evil.
But Papa, what about their fourth sister, Ntiza?
They killed Ntiza, their sister, because she refused to join them in their evil way. And secondly, she revealed their secret evil plans to kill their husbands.
Yes.
So you people have finally killed your husbands. I promise I will tell all the communities.
Caesar, what is the meaning of this? And who told you that you can live to tell the story?
Caesar! I promise you, I will surely come back. I promise. I promise I will come back.
Let me watch her come back.
So, Papa, you mean Ntiza was killed by her own sisters?
Yes.
Hey.
That is what Mazi is telling us.
Exactly. But one thing, Ntiza, before she gave up the ghost, vowed and promised to return and to deal with them in her return. That's why you see Akweke is the reincarnation of Ntiza, their sister.
Thanks be to God. But Papa, what did the elders do when they hear all this?
This is a very good question. We banish them from this our community. Yes.
By the time their evil have grown and multiplied and became so uncontrollable and unbearable, we the elders, together with Okosisi, the chief priest, we banish them from this community.
You did well, Papa. That's why I always talk about you. You did well. That's very, very good, sir.
My elders, I greet you all.
Greetings,
You all have seen the atrocities which these women have committed. I believe we all know the consequences of this calamity which they have brought upon themselves and upon this kingdom. What an elder sit and see. Even though a child climbs the tallest tree, he or she cannot be able to see it. Okwana go to lumbe to lopokole ya. Na to afọ bulonso. Ati na okin ya dia no no lo ewu amu no gbole. When two elephants jump, only the grass suffer for it. Three of them have jumped together and they want the calamity to suffer for it. They are going to suffer it alone.
Evil people, evil women, you will go.
Okay, let me ask you a question. So you kill your husband?
I do not kill anything.
You kill your husband?
I do not kill anything.
You kill your husband? Not only that, you kill your sister. Is it not so? And kill on Stop that nonsense. You people will what is your father? You don't leave this
my elders
today.
Because of this, we are going to banish them out.
Yes!
Yes. That is what we are going to do.
You will go.
And never you come back.
You will go.
You are bad.
Carry your bag. Carry your bag. Come and go. Go. On the check it.
You have your audacity, you killed your husband, killed your sister, killed your daughter there.
Papa, you're a nice man.
Yes. And another thing is that now, you people have to be very, very, very careful.
Okay, Papa.
Do you understand me?
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
That reminds me, Iche, the very day we were coming back from a meeting, we met the three of them. They are now old, returning back to this our community.
Big bags hanging on their shoulders.
Suddenly, the cloud changed, which was a very good sign of evil and calamity.
Papa, we both saw the same when we went to fetch the firewood.
That is why you saw me that day as I ran inside the house.
Yes, Papa, I can remember that.
Akweke! Akweke, get me the pot now. Akweke!
Mama, yeah, I come.
Hi, be fast now. We are running late already. Eh? Let's cook, please. Hi.
I feel like destroying the Black Sisters of the Oath.
Hey! Akweke! Do not see. Nai! Nai, please come!
What is it? What happened?
Nai, please come.
What is it?
I said, I feel like destroying those witches.
Wait. Akweke, listen. I know you to be a powerful daughter of mine, but I do not know that you have such power to destroy the witches. Biko, I don't want to hear this again. Warn your daughter. Warn her. I'm inside.
You are only but a child. And I don't want anything to happen to you. Biko no wam. Oh no.
Nay, by the gods, I'm safe.
Hey, I know you're safe. You don't see such thing again. Eh? Please come and sit down. Let's prepare dinner. Where is that knife? Where is the kitchen knife? Let me play this thing.
Ejemi yokuru.
Iyami yokuru.
Okuru eju nkata.
Iyami yokuru.
Okuru eju nkata.
Iyami yokuru.
Ọ bụ onye ga-ebu ọkwụrụ?
Iyami yokuru.
Aniseke ga-ebu ọkwụrụ.
Iyami yokuru.
Anisi ụzọ ga-ebu ọkwụrụ.
Iyami yokuru.
Anyị ejewe ịṅụ ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Anyị ejewe ịṅụ ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Mee ndị ka ga-aṅụ ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Aniseke ka ga-aṅụ ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Ọbara eju nkata.
Iyami ọbara.
Ọ bụ onye ga-ebu ọbara?
Iyami ọbara.
Anisi ụzọ ga-ebu ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Anisi ụzọ ga-ebu ọbara.
Iyami ọbara.
Ejemi ihe ọkwụrụ.
Iyami ọkwụrụ.
Ọkwụrụ eju nkata.
Iyami ọkwụrụ.
Ọ bụ onye ga-ebu ọkwụrụ?
Iyami ọkwụrụ.
Ani esi ụzọ ga-ebu ọkwụrụ.
Iyami ọkwụrụ.
Agwụ ike dị great. Nnọọ.
Welcome, great daughter of the dark. What troubles you?
great Agwike, may you live long. On our way entering into the community of Chizoba, a certain maiden seems to know about us, and she challenged us with a silent voice.
Agwike, even when others were afraid of us, she was so bold and fearless. We are afraid she might stop us from functioning well. Agwike the Great, what should we do?
First, we must know who she is and the source of her boldness.
Our mission is to do your will.
Ntiza, one name. You have not said a word for a long time now. What is it? Talk to us.
Utueke.
Yes.
Olamma. Osuagwu.
Ogene.
I am not happy.
What happened? Tell me, talk to me. Ogini, talk to us. What happened?
What is it, Ntiza? If you cannot confide in us, who else? We are your sisters, for crying out loud.
The thing here is that, how can the three of you have miscarriages at the same time?
Ntiza, what are you trying to say?
Drumia.
What are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is that, how will you people be eating all the babies in your womb?
Just shut up your dirty mouth. Shut it!
Ntiza, you know I'm not called John.
Ntiza, what have come over you?
Yes, what have come over you? Nothing has come over me. Nothing has come over me. You people should change from your evil deeds.
Ntiza, Marian gave me over. Get out. Ntiza, leave my presence this minute.
Ogini.
Get out.
This minute.
Get out.
Please.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out. Go.
The truth is always good.
Get out.
Lele.
Can you imagine?
Alika. Please, let's talk about another thing, please.
There is nothing to talk about, though. This girl is straight now.
Who know what to do with this girl?
We need to know what to do.
Is it silence? Is the best answer.
We don't have to be silent.
Akweke, you are awake? Yes, Nne.
Come on, visit.
Nne, I had a dream.
A dream?
Yes, Nne.
What's the dream all about?
Nne, in my dream, I saw 4 sisters exchanging words. One out of the 4 sisters was telling them to change from their evil ways, but they walked her out from their midst.
Hey. What's this dream all about? What's the meaning of this dream?
No.
Don't worry, my daughter. Once your father comes back, I'll talk to him about your dream.
Okay, Nne.
Well, Mom, please come ahead and join me. Let's finish this thing.
Ihe nri nke amakakwa.
Nyela nna ya.
Makwa eshi. Ka m lee n'otu oge si atọ.
Nna ya.
There's something I want to discuss with you.
What is it again?
Oh, I thought Akweke had a dream.
A dream?
Yes, a night.
What's the dream all about?
She said in her dream, she saw 4 sisters arguing. And one among the 4 sisters asked the others to stop from their evil ways. But they chased her out from their presence.
Olamma.
Nine.
Olamma, my wife.
Nine.
You don't have to be bothering yourself. Hmm? We will have to go and meet Okosisi to ask questions about our daughter, Akweke. Hmm? Calm down. Eat your food. Eat.
Nine. I'm calm, but...
Don't worry. Eat. Eat. Eat
okay.
food.
Nine, please, enjoy this meal.
I'm enjoying it. Eat.
Now this food is very sweet though. Now let me eat one meat now. Greetings, Utweke. Greetings, Ujuako. And greetings, Uroma.
Greetings, Olamma.
Greetings. Yeah.
Olamma, is she your daughter?
By the gods, yes. And her name is Akweke.
Olamma, your daughter is so beautiful.
Thank you, Nne.
We'll take our leave now. May the gods be with you both.
Akweke. Hey, Akweke. Akweke. Why didn't you greet those women?
Nne, they are evil.
Shut up! Shut up your mouth! What are you trying to say?
Nne, they are not what you think they are. They are green snakes in green grasses.
Hi! Chimo. Akweke, you will not kill me. Eh?
Nne, don't worry. One day, you will remember this day.
Akweke, please, because you are no one. Let's go, let's go.
Akweke the Great. No, 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 no.
Great daughters of the dark. Have you gotten the necessary information needed to carry out this assignment?
Akweke the Great. Her name is Akweke, daughter of Egwatu and Olamma.
I feel it is not ordinary. It seems there are supreme powers guiding her.
Do not speak further, for none is more supreme than the great Akweke.
Have mercy on us, for we are only confessing an unforeseen truth.
She is the reincarnation of your late sister, Ntiza.
Where is your daughter now? Call her.
Akweke!
Let's be going.
Akweke! Akweke!
Anne.
Come, please, hurry up.
What kept you now?
Please, let's hurry. Hey.
Okosi.
Greetings, Egwatu.
Greetings, Okosi. You're here.
Greetings, Okosi.
We are about coming to your shrine to see you.
Yes.
May the peace of the gods be upon this household. Egwatu.
Okosi.
I was instructed by the gods to come and see you and your household.
We're already coming to your shrine. We're coming to see you.
I was instructed by the gods to come and see you and your household.
Hi.
Oh, thanks to the gods.
Okosi.
Please.
Okosi. It's about our daughter, Akweke.
Okosi, Akweke, our daughter, keep having strange dreams. She said she sees 4 sisters in her dreams exchanging wells. And one among the 4 sisters was telling the others to change from their evil ways. But they couldn't listen to her. Rather, they chased her out from their presence. Okosi, seriously, I don't know what to do again. Please help us.
Egwato, your daughter here, Akweke, is the reincarnation of Ntiza.
Okosi, is Ntiza?
Yes.
Who is this Ntiza?
Yes, who is Ntiza?
Ntiza is one of the sisters which her fellow sisters killed when they are about to perform their evil deeds in this kingdom. And the one they killed tried to stop them. That is the reason why they killed her. Then she reincarnated through your daughter.
Hey.
Okosi, please.
Hi.
At this moment, what do we do? Please help us.
You don't have to bother yourself. You don't have to. I will still go and consult the gods. I'll get back to you.
Hey, please, Okosi, help us. Please, consult the gods and find out the solution to this problem. Please, help us.
There is no problem.
Thank
You
you,
don't have to
Okosi.
be afraid.
Thank you.
Now take my leave. May the peace of the gods be upon you and your household.
Thank you, Okosi. Thank you.
Who is this Ntiza?
Okosi just told you who Ntiza is. She is a sister to the 3 sisters that was banished in this village seasons ago because of their evil deeds. Their sisters killed her because she was against their evil deeds. Hi. Nine.
What do we do?
Let's just hope that the gods will speak through Okosi. Akwugo.
Yes, me.
Nemo.
Yes, me.
This is how Nwankwo was rescued from the hands of those hoodlums at the market. Yes, so I thank the God for protecting her that day, for rescuing her. If not, nobody knows what would have been of her.
Thank the gods.
Honestly, we thank the gods. What is this, Akweke?
Me. They are here.
Who is here?
Those old evil witches. They are about to strike.
Strike who? Who is here? Who is the witches?
Me, don't worry, I'll be back.
Akweke! Hey! Yawa! Hey! What are you Akweke! Nai!
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
These three sisters, at this their return, have committed more evil than in their younger age.
Daughters of the dark! Why is the pot of blood dry? And why are we this thirsty? Doesn't mean the drums of death has not been beaten.
Great one! She keep raising our captives when we kill them.
How dare her? She has beaten more than she can chew.
We will not take it from her. Akweke! Akweke! Akweke!
Since ever you and your two sisters came back to this our village, there is a lot of problems, calamities, atrocities, killing, unnecessary death. Why? That is the question. I'm asking you why. Are you deaf? Are you deaf? So you don't hear very well.
Are you trying to say that I and my sisters are responsible of all the calamities?
Yes, that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying.
Are you not Chikowa?
Yes, if you don't understand.
Here.
I openly say it. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And yes.
Yes.
And yes again.
Yes.
Three of you are responsible. Or have you forgotten that this was exactly the same reason you were banished many seasons ago? Since how many seasons ago you people were banished? This village has been very kind. Look at it. Now you have returned again.
Ichie Udogo. What did they call you? Ichie Udogo. Be mindful of your mouth. Be very, very careful, or else. I need to go back to the river. Yes. Be careful, Uche.
Because sisters, can
we
leave here? Can we leave this?
Don't have anything to say.
People.
I beg. Let's leave this good for nothing men.
Thunder fire three of you idiots. Okay, let us see. I got remember now, okay.
Greetings, Uche.
Greetings, Osuagwu, and greetings, Olamma.
Greetings, Okenna. Son of Ojemba, how are you?
I'm fine, Nne.
Okenna, how is your father?
He's fine.
Leave me alone.
We'll take a leave.
Don't worry, you may go.
What is your problem? Why didn't you greet them?
Why should I greet them? I don't want to greet them.
You wanted to kill you?
Ha! They can never harm me. As for them, no, I will never greet them. Let's go.
All auntie.
Leave me.
What type of problem is this? Look at the time now. These children are not yet back from the farm. What is the problem? Huh?
Leave me alone.
Hola, auntie.
Papa.
My son,
Papa.
why are you people coming very late?
Papa, on our way coming back from the farm, we met Otueke and her sisters. But all auntie here refused to greet them.
Why?
Ask her.
Papa, I don't want to greet them.
You don't want to greet them. Why?
Papa, They can never harm me.
They will have you. Those 3 women are very dangerous.
They are evil.
They are witch. I must surely tell you the truth. You must surely go and say sorry to them. I'm telling you the truth.
All auntie.
Yes.
Please go and ask them for forgiveness.
Yes.
I will not do such thing.
Hey.
Papa will never do such thing.
No problem. All I know is that a fly that doesn't do what?
Here.
Follows what?
The corpse to the grave.
Yeah. So you want to go to the grave?
Papa, they can never harm me.
No, if you want to go to the grave, I will help you. No problem, you can go.
I don't want to see you. My son, Papa. Go. Look at this stupid idiot. Utoke will show you.
Agwike the Great. No.
The great daughters of the dark. Let us not forget the reason why you all came back. Issues of community is our prey and must remain our captive.
When we are thirsty, we drink the blood of the living. And when we do, the echoes of death speak in silence.
This is good, but the pot of blood is dried up, and we need to beat the sound of death.
Our mission is to do your will.
Sisters, now that we are back to this village, we must pay back to the people of Isuzo all that they did to us. We must.
Sisters, Agwike is not happy with us. That little girl has become a thorn on our flesh.
Sisters, remember, according to Agwike, she is the reincarnation of our late sister, Ntiza. Ntiza promised us that she would come back.
Sisters.
And she came through the little disobedient child called Akweke. How could she?
Ntiza has dealt with us.
Mgbe o gbujiri agbụ mgbe ọ na-akpọ nwoke anyị na-eje n'ubi ka ji na ka mbọchị nta ya chọọ na ya jụọ were nchi gbam.
Daughters of the dark, the hour has come for us to inflict more pain in the land of his user community.
Great Agwike, the elders of Isuzo community dealt with us. They dealt with us.
Then we shall suck their blood.
Their pain shall be our joy. Their tears shall flow like the stream. Let the drum of death beat.
Who are you? What do you want from me? You are here. Oh, thanks be to the gods of our fathers for bringing you. Akweke, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Thank you for coming to raise me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey. Hey. Chimo. Hi. What do I call? Is it like this? Let me go home.
Hey, Papa can see it.
They are the same reason this one died. If not for the intervention of Akweke,
yes.
all of you, even myself, they bewitched and killed me. But thanks to the gods of our fathers who gave us Akweke, the reincarnation of Ntiza, their sister.
The gods of our land be praised. Who gave us Akweke?
Yes.
Who has been defeating their evil activities. That's the reason you saw those of us that were attacked and afflicted by death or diseases. Akweke is busy healing everyone and raising others back to life. It got to a point that they even attacked Akweke, but the gods protected her.
What needs to be gods?
These sisters are full of evil. To the point that when Akweke resisted all their evil activities, blood began to dry up from their pots.
please wake up. Olanti, don't do this to me. Please wake up. Papa. Olanti, please. Olanti. Akweke, who is here? Akweke, please come. Akweke, please come. My sister is dying. Please come.
What is it?
Where is Akweke? Please call Akweke for me.
Please come. What is it? What is wrong with her?
She was struck by the black witches. Please save my sister, please, Akweke. She's the only sister I have, Akweke, please save her. Akweke, please. Akweke, please do something. Akweke, please do something. Please. Olanti, wake up. Olanti, wake up. Olanti, please wake up. Olanti. Akweke, thank you. Akweke, thank you for healing my sister. Thank you. Olanti. Sister, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. Thank you for healing my sister.
I did not heal, but the gods did. Let the gods be praised.
Thank you.
Yes.
We take our leave
It's
now.
okay.
Thank you, Mama.
All right. Thank you.
Dusters of the dark. I'm not happy. We are about to be doomed if we keep silent. And the echoes of death will stand on us.
Akweke the Great. Our effort seems abortive. And our strengths are failing us. Obugini ka anyị ga-eme? What are we going to do?
We need more powers to strike her this time. Please, grant us more powers, more time.
Powers we shall have. Strength we shall be given. Only if you bring her here in the next meeting.
But how can we achieve this?
Just do as I said.
The late sister to the daughters of the dark. You think we do not know you? Today, your end has come.
You can always speak ill of the vessel of the gods, but you can never harm the oracle.
Akweke, do something! Do something!
Do something!
Akweke!
We are losing it.
Sisters! Sisters!
Don't let us die.
Sisters!
We are losing it.
It came to a point when they had no other captive to suck blood from, that they began sucking their own blood and eating their flesh. That's how they all perished.
May the gods be praised.
You see, my children,
Yes, Papa.
every one of you need to be very careful.
Yes,
Papa. Because no evil will go unpunished. Be very, very careful with whatever you do. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Ntị ọ dịkwa?
Ntị dị ya.
Ntị ọ dịkwa?
Ntị dị ya.
My children,
Yes, Papa.
This is the end of the moonlight story until next new moon. You understand me?
Yes,
Until
Papa.
the next what?
New moon.
Until the next what?
New moon.
Yes. The order is that you people have to do what?
Be careful.